Once again, welcome to Samashakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Malda online classes. Myself, Jyoti Varve. Student, in previous video, we have seen information about great man Shivaji Maharaj and the condition of the medieval period. We have seen Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Before Shivaji Maharaj means for about 400 years ago, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. Today, we are going to learn next part of this lesson. Okay, student. First, I will read lesson. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They were not liberal in their outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They were also sworn enemies of each other. They constantly fought against each other with the result that the people suffered and were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Vatandas like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. They loved only their Jagirs and not their country. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of this oppression and were very unhappy. Student, now see the explanation of this passage. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Before Shivaji Maharaj, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur, these two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They oppressed people over whom they ruled. So people suffer and become harassed. They were also sworn enemies of each other. They constantly fought against each other with the result that the people suffered and were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, or they could not celebrate their festivals openly and freely. They were not sure of their safety even in their own homes. There were injustice everywhere. Student, injustice means not treated equally. In Maharashtra, there were many Vatandas like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes. Vatandar means rich people who had more property. And these Vatandas loved their Jagir. Jagir means property or place. They loved only their Jagir and not their country. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. Student, misery means sad and troubled life. There was misrule everywhere. So the people were very unhappy. Student, now see the next passage of this lesson. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. Shivaji Maharaj saw all the condition and he undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. Student, establish means something is newly formed or newly created or newly made, and Swaraj means self-government, our own rule, not ruled by others, and noble means excellent and appreciable, and task means work. Student, Shivaji Maharaj saw all the condition of the people and he undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra. Okay student, now see the difficult word from this lesson. First word, Nizam Shah. Nizam Shah means a Mughal emperor had a control over Ahmednagar in Maharashtra. Second word, Adil Shah. Adil Shah means a Mughal emperor ruled over Bijapur of Maharashtra. Next word, misery. Misery means sad and troubled life. Next word, injustice. Injustice means not treated equally. Next word, Vatandas. Vatandas means rich people who had more property. Jagir. Next word, Jagir. Jagir means property or place. Next word, noble. Noble means excellent and appreciable. Last word, task. Task means work. Student, these all are the difficult words from this lesson. You have to write down these all words in your notebook and recite it.